Oh, what's going on? We gotta take a look at this Mustang. Whew, it is freaking winter. Like we got the snowblowers up and running. I'm a carb expert. We just went from two non-running snowblowers to now two great running snowblowers. Anyways, well, Mustang, what is going on? It's winter. There's no content. Sad to say, I don't think we're gonna get any nicer weather for me to drive this thing anymore. The last time I didn't really upload this, but we changed the shock settings on the Vikings. I narrowed it down. We got some berserkers, H and an F valve on there. So we changed them up per weight transfer settings. And they're not the Kel tracks. I didn't go through Kelly. I got these on a crazy deal. The guy just wanted some stock shocks so he could turn in his Mustang, trade it in, sell it. I don't know what he did, but so it's straight trade, pretty awesome, pretty sick deal. You guys, you guys. That's a great deal, and I don't think anyone would really pass up on that, right? But moving forward, last time we talked about this Mustang was making a ticking noise. So we've put the regular belt on, so it basically car ran without this ESS bracket and supercharger pulley, so missing the four pulleys or whatever. And the car ran fine, great. It drove for about an hour. It was fine, no ticking noises whatsoever. Put the ESS belt back on, and it just ticked again. So I pretty much narrowed it down to whatever is on this bracket and or a supercharger. So that's pretty much all I can really say. And every single time I try to go check some of the pulleys, this or that, it doesn't tick anymore. So, and actually ESS mentioned to check some of these bolts in the back as they can back themselves out. I've checked them, and it just doesn't tick anymore. So it's very super inconsistent. It kind of ticks whenever it wants to tick, unfortunately. So sad to say, I think we're gonna have to put the car away for a 24 season without figuring out the ticking noise, and won't even know if these settings actually work for the Viking shock. So not the end of the world, but it kind of sucks leaving it at this stage of leaving it at this point. So it kind of sucks being winter. Another thing that we got to address is the transmission. As you guys know, this is a stock transmission, 22,000 some miles on this now. We've been boosted for like 20,000 some miles. Because remember, back in the Vortec days, for those that are new, yes, we ran the Vortec V3 back in the day. Did I'm not even kidding, 1,600 some poles. We were out 4 nights a week. And then we went to a G3X and now G3R this year. So we've had a good solid 3 years of racing, 20-some thousand miles. The car has definitely been through a lot. Stock engine, stock trans, and the transmission. Sometimes it sounds like my Honda here, like a CVT. Sometimes it goes just going through those gears, and it's whoo. You guys know what CVT is, but it doesn't bang the gears anymore. But sometimes it does. So I think it's finally time to start addressing it. Hey, I don't know if you guys can work some magic out. 651 needs a new transmission. Yep. I don't think there's another Mustang. I'm going to say it right now. I don't think there's another Mustang out there with this many runs, this many pulls, wide open throttle pulls. Like, there's not another Mustang out there that's done what I've done. I mean, yeah, people putz around. People say they drive their cars. No one's actually done this many pulls in stock engine, stock trans. Guarantee it. Well over 900 some wheel, I guarantee you no one's done this many pulls. And, I do show them all. It's just kind of hard to post videos every single day. Like, we've done so many runs on the Vortec V3 that I haven't even posted up. And then we didn't really finish the G3X videos. And yeah, I could probably post 3 videos a day, but I kind of want to do like 1 video every other day. And then boom, all of a sudden it's like next year, G3R. And now it's just like, okay, maybe we should do G3R videos. And then it's like, okay, no, like now we're jumping out of order and people want to see my digs. We did digs on the Vortec V3, and then it's like, so content was kind of all over now. So I kind of just skipped some videos, definitely skipped a lot of videos on the Vortec. And there's not another Mustang that's done this many runs. You guys got to give me some credit there. So if anyone's feeling really generous for Christmas, I do need to build trans, you know. I do have something in the works with the locals here. So I'm really excited, but I'm just kind of done spending money. This is a very, very tough game. Definitely, I want to finish this garage. I want to put a lift right here. I want some cool hexagon lights. I want to get rid of this CRV. Anyways, it kind of sucks to leave the Mustang at this state going into winter. You know, definitely need to address things, you know, and the ticking noise. I want to test the Viking shocks, new transmission. I want to do drag racing next year, so I'm definitely going to need beefier axles. You guys don't know, we're on stock axles also. So stock transmission, stock drive shaft, stock axles. If someone could really just bless me with those things for Christmas, that would be sick. I'm not even... that's pretty sick. And the guy that offered me the Vikings for a straight trade, that was... whoo, man, he was like, I know you're going to use these, and I know it's going to do some work and not sit around in the garage. You know, I mean, it's winter, but he knows I'm going to use them. He gave them to me for a straight trade. That was freaking sick. So thank you. Oh, so I just want to give you guys a quick update. I'm really excited for the 2025 season. This is really what I did this year is it's going to be the same. There's really no point in increasing horsepower. It's tough to get down on that surface out there. You guys know it. I'm just gonna say it. I beat those twin turbo Mustangs, you know, on the short stretch definitely because they just can't hook. Rolling anti-lag, brake boost or not, you guys know 1,200 some wheel with like 900 some pounds of torque on crap road is just not gonna hook on a 30, 40 road. It's just not. And this blower does so good. The Century blowers do so good. Whipple guys, I mean, there's a fine line where you kind of want to be at this event. And yeah, the big stretch on the drag strip, yeah, you know, but like, I love racing that short stretch. You still get up to plenty fast, but it definitely surprises a lot of people because people don't think a Century blower can get down. And let me tell you, the Century blowers do get down. So I'm kind of excited to see how different next year will be with the Viking shocks. I don't know. Maybe I can't fit people in the back seats anymore, or having people in the back seats is going to affect me in a negative way, you know. But I do have some adjustability. They're double adjustable back there. So I don't know. We'll see what happens next year. And I just want to give you guys a quick update as we go into Thanksgiving and then in Christmas. So very, very thankful for everyone's been a part of me, part of the channel. Definitely huge shout out to everyone. You guys know who you are. So many people to list, but definitely Module Tuning. He's been kind of like the bread and butter of this whole car during its entire life. I'm not Lund tuned, not Palm Beach. No one. It's just been a Module tuned car, and we've been having some serious fun stocking stock trans. You guys know from the very beginning, this car is definitely putting in some work. So, peace out.